Okay, today I want to observe Oromiyaa region around Langi. This road, see this road. This road is Langi road. Let's take starting from Langi to Kurfajalli around here. Okay, see this one. This Oromiyaa. From Oromiyaa is Langi. So this observe it, okay? Like that. Observe it. Observe it. Like this one. This is observe. Please, this is Oromiyaa. This is Oromiyaa. Oromiyaa is a green country. Oromiyaa is a green state. See it, please. Search it. This road is very long. So I want to move. I came from school. This is school. I came from school. My school name. My school name is. See this. This is charts. This charts. It's all these charts. It's green one. It's all these charts. So charts. This road. This is road. It's not asphalt road. Yes, it is. Okay. This is mountain. This is green. Alhamdulillah, this is Oromiyaa. Oromiyaa is this is from Oromiyaa region. This is around Langi in Langi and Estararki. This is Estararki. Around this village is Langi Bala. It's called Langi Bala. This is human roads and car road is similar. It's not separate. It's together. It's moved together. Okay, just like that. You can search and also like, subscribe my video. Okay. Let's see this one. This road. This start. Okay. Oromiyaa is a beautiful, green country. So, okay, thank you for search and also subscribe, like, share my video. Okay, you can get this video. From Jaaladha to UK. Just I search it. If you are search on Google, you can get my TV. Okay. Around the rural area, it's not urban. As I want to approach urban area around the UK. Okay, just like you can search it.